Hi, if you're having trouble with Steamwebhelper not responding, I'm going to show you how to fix that right away. First, you want to open your task manager and you want to end the task that is associated with Steam and Steamwebhelper. So right click, end task, it's going to close Steam. After that, you want to locate Steam in your just search bar, right click and open file location. After that, you're gonna right click again on Steam and again open file location because this is just a shortcut. It's gonna take you to your Steam files and you want to find Steam.exe right here, which is the actual application file, steam.exe, and you can go ahead and right click, go on properties, go on compatibility mode. You want to check this box, run this program in Windows 8 compatibility mode, and you want to check run this program as an administrator. You can click apply, click OK, and then you need to restart your whole computer, and after that you can open up Steam and it will all be fixed. Your client web helper will not be bugged or in an error anymore.